O, take 5.
Take 4. After ng, di ba balance kasi yun? Kasi when it comes in life, halimbawa, pwedeng mauna yung happiness, tsaka sadness. Kumbaga balance lang. Pero dito, sa cards, sinasabi na mauna yung happiness, then second is the harsh truth, ganyan, basta ganyan. Meaning nito, happiness, ganyan. Tapos ito, parang negative. Positive, negative. Tapos, kung ano
Positive.
man yung maging result mo, i-enjoy mo lang. Parang alam mo yun, kumbaga.
Kaya, naintindihan ko na.
Diba?
So, again, next card. Nasaan po yung isa? Yung sa love life.
Ay, salam.
This is the love
Ano
life.
ba? Ano ba? Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko.
Yeah, because what's that? The Hidden Truths Oracle. You know, I love to read that
Okay,
card.
let's see. So, this...
You need to get 3 cards.
Ayan. Wait. Let me just introduce this. Ayan. So, let me just read it to you guys. So, the Hidden Truth Oracle. Okay. The Hidden Truth Oracle cards. Ayan. Uy.
So I love this card because English is speaking, you know.
I know, because I'm in a mood, right?
You know, you need to correct me if I'm wrong. If sometimes
So far,
you understand sometimes.
Yes.
You need to correct me if I'm wrong when I'm talk.
Yeah, sure. I will do that. I will.
Okay.
Okay. So let's pick a card, like 3 cards.
Okay.
Oh, wala naman nakalagay dito. So, what would you like to hear from your divine masculine, your divine feminine, a former love? Oh, okay. So, yeah. This card is baga. It
How many
talks
cards?
about-
How many cards?
Sige, 3 cards. Yan. We already shuffled this.
That is the love oracle.
Love reading cards kasi.
Yeah, love reading na.
Ayan. Sige, ayan. Piliin.
Ano yung gagawa niya?
Ano siya pa? For entertainment only.
Yeah.
No harsh truth.
Dali na 2 minutes na.
Ayan na, go. Sige. Piliin.
How many cards? 3 cards?
3 cards.
My life?
Yeah.
Oh, I love the meaning.
My life is not a to-get. Oh, as it seems.
Ano daw?
My love is not... Yes.
My
sige,
life
baka sa
is
next card
not
maintindihan
as
namin.
together as it seems.
Yes.
So, bilis.
Oh, go.
I hid who I really am from you. Ano daw?
Diba? Oh, sige. Ba't kasi mo, i-video mo na para...
I replay our conversation over and over. Ano daw?
Yes. So, for more video,